I have given you the link of those video lectures in the blog ID, so you can refer to it if you required it. Okay. Okay, I have shared my screen. Is it visible to you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So all of you might have noticed the name of the meeting, that is extra examples of the change of order, because I feel somehow that we need, actually not me, but you need a more practice on this one, because this is the only topic on which you have to concentrate, because if you don't practice it out, either you may have the chance of a mistake in the choosing of the limits, or you can have the mistake in terms of the simplification. Yesterday only we have seen, so some of the cases are there, as well as so in which the mistakes will be happened. So that's why I thought that instead of starting the new topic before the examination, let me consider some more examples based on the double integration, in which we will consider the evaluation of the double integral as well as the change of order, right? So is it convenient to all of you, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
I don't know, in between some network issues was there. So I was saying that today we are going to consider more examples based on the multiple integral as well as the change of order, right? So is it convenient to all of you, no? That is what I am asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I will do, I will give you the data. I will take up the examples from the practice work example. You try by yourself, right? And in between we will discuss that what will be the limits, how it will be changed, and all those quantities. So first you have to try it, and then we will discuss those examples. Okay. So
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, have you upload this PDF of chapter 5 in Teams?
no, I have not uploaded it, and I am not going to upload it as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Yesterday only this question was asked by someone, and I have replied to it, because in the beginning only I have told you that you have to make your class notes, in which you have to solve, means in that class notes, if you regularly update that notes with me, whatever I am writing it over here, you have to write it in your notebooks, so that you can have the entire solution of those unsolved examples, right? That is what I have said, and I am making a practice of this kind, because in the first semester you are given all the notes and whatever, but from the third semester you have to make a practice, because everyone will say now you are a higher semester student, dot dot dot, etc etc etc. You have to fill these blanks, right? So you have to make a practice. If this period I am not willing that this period will continue, but if it is continue, then you have to make a practice that how to learn mathematics in online mode. And since you are a computer students, you are going to study third semester mathematics, right? So बहुत आप लोगों ने ये ऑब्जर्व किया ही होगा कि बाकी सब थियोरेटिकल सब्जेक्ट में यू आर एबल टू इजीली गेन फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंटेशन, बट फ्रॉम द मैथमेटिक्स यू कैंट डू इट. So whatever, and if you observe, I have written each and every statements in that green PDF file, so that you can copy that one in your notebook, right? So that's why I am not going to upload it, because मैं upload करूँगी तो आप लोगों को यही practice हो जाएगी, and I don't want that. Okay. और कुछ बोलना है आप लोगों को कि मैं स्टार्ट करूं? अभी बोलना है या पूछना है? Okay, so I will understand this silence means there is a no question. Okay, so first to fifth example if you consider, then it is based on the improper integrals and beta gamma function. So that is not in your syllabus. So we are going to start with the sixth example. Evaluate double integration over the region R y square dy dx, where R is the region bounded by the curves y square is equal to x and y is equal to x cube. So two curves are given. You have to determine first original limit. Here you are just asked to solve it. So order is also given, right? But after evaluating it, I will consider the same example for changing the order of the integration as well, so that you can have the clear-cut idea about change the order of the integration, right? So two curves are given. I will just give you, any one of you are knowing what is the curve of the y is equal to x cube?
Yes, ma'am.
How it will be? Can you draw it in your notebook and either you present it or take a photo of it and upload it in the chat box? Whatever you like to take as a note, you can consider. So the example I am writing it over here. We are asked to evaluate the integral, where integrand we are given is y square, the order we are given is dy dx, and region R is bounded by the curves, which curves we are given, y is equal to x cube and y is equal to x square. Let me check. Y square is equal to x and y is equal to x cube. Just wait. Y square is equal to x. Okay, I got the answer. Very good. Mehul has already drawn it in the green file. Which software you are using, Mehul?
I just snipped it and edited and then copied to clipboard and just sent it.
Okay, so just you have taken the screenshot of the screen file and then you have edited. That is the correct one. Arya has also posted it. That is also the correct one, right? So that is what I have considered the example, that if some of you, it may be possible that some of you are not able to draw that curve. So actually it is this kind of curve. So you can see this is y is equal to x cube, right? So when x is equal to 0, y value will be 0, and when I consider x is equal to 1, in that case this y value will be also 1, right? So this is the point where x and y value both will be 1, 1, right? Or instead of writing x is equal to 1, I will just write 1, 0, because it is the point, not the line. This is the origin, y-axis, x-axis. Another curve is y square is equal to x. Which curve it will be? Parabola. Will it be symmetric about y-axis or x-axis?
X-axis.
X-axis, because y square is the quantity. So when we talk about the first quadrant, right? So again, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So that curve will be having intersection at this particular point. That means at 1, 1. So let me write now this equation over here, because it will get confused if you see to it over here. And now this is the equation of y square is equal to x. This is what the given curve we have, right? So intersecting, you can see that why we have considered only first quadrant, because this parabola will be in this manner and this curve is now in the third quadrant, so there is no possibility of intersecting those two curves in other quadrants than the first quadrant, right? So that's why we have considered the first quadrant. Now in this one, we have to consider dy as y variable as the inner integral x variable is the outer integral. So in that one, what are the limits? You decided.
Ma'am, x will have constant limits 0 to 1.
Which variable? X will be having very good. X is equal to 0 to 1. Means in this case, what will be the strip?
Vertical strip.
Vertical strip, because you can see that x is the outer integral, therefore the strip will be perpendicular to x axis, means it will be vertical strip, that is this one. So now when you allow it to move in the x direction in this region, this is your region R. So when you allow it to move in this region in the x direction, you can see that it will vary from 0 to 1, constant quantity. So limit will be 0 to 1. What about the limits of y?
Ma'am, from x cubed to root of x.
Yes, since it is the first quadrant, we have to consider the positive square root of x. So it will be by, so this strip will move in this region in this direction, y-axis direction. So it will be x cubed to square root of x y square. This is the limit of y square dy dx. So quickly evaluate this integral and let me know the answer. Very good. Devarshi has also drawn the curves. Very good. One thing I will must say that your mother father is somehow religion, which I have not observed in the previous batches, but in your batch I have seen that many of you having some religious name like Atharva, Bhargav, Arya, Devanshi, Devarshi. Very good, huh? Om. Very good. Okay, anyone has evaluated it?
By 10.
It's 1 by 10.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, 1 by 10.
1 by 10. Let me know how many of you got the answer 1 by 10. Please raise your hand quickly. Oh, 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 oh. Can I trust you? Means if you are honest in the raising hand, then I can see that there are 58 students who have solved it. Very good. Fine. So it is just y cube by 3. So when you substitute these values and finally it will be the curve, right? Actually you will get in the integrand x raised to 3 by 2 minus x dx, where this integral will be 0 to 1 dx. So when you solve it again, the simplified answer you will get it as 1 by 10. Now change the order. It is not asked in the example, but change the order now and let me know which one will be the limits of the integration after changing the order. Quickly. चेंजिंग ऑफ ऑर्डर के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? चेंज द ऑर्डर ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन के लिए Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I don't know why I am at the university, but today some network issues are there. Okay, so I was saying that change the order of the integration and let me know the limits after changing. What we have to do for changing the order? We have to
Square
consider
to
the
cube
strip.
root of y.
Just a minute. We have to consider the strip which is has to be perpendicular with respect to the original strip. So it will be green one while changing the order. So now when we change the order, outer integral will be dy, inner integral will be dx, or you can write, since this is horizontal, so value of limits of y will be constant, and what it will be?
0 to 1.
0 to 1. Very good. And what about limits of x?
Y square to
y square
y
to
raised
y
to 1 by
raised to
3.
1 by 3.
Y square 2 y raised to 1 by 3, and integrand will remain same, y square. Right? ये कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए कि पहले क्यों लोअर लिमिट y स्क्वायर लिया, अपर लिमिट y we have taken at y raised to 1 by 3, because every time whenever we choose the limit we will go in this direction, or you can allow this strip to move in this direction in this region. So in that case your limit will be changing from this curve to this curve, right? So that's why y square will be the lower limit and y raised to 1 by 3 will be the upper limit. Quickly evaluate it and you must get the 1 by 10 answer. Those who got the answer, they can raise their hand. Oh, very speedy. ऑनलाइन लेक्चर है, कैमरा सबके ऑफ है, इंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो. सो आई एम एज्यूमिंग दैट ऑल ऑफ यू हैव सॉल्व्ड इट एंड यू गॉट द 1 by 10 आंसर, दोज हु हैव रेज्ड द हैंड. Okay, next example. Anyone having any doubt in this example now? If not, then you can go for the 7th example. Change the order of the integration in values we are given and hence evaluate it. Right? So this is our kind of example. Why our kind of example? Because change the order of the integration is already asked. Here it was not asked. So which strip originally we have?
Vertical strip.
Vertical strip, because x is the outer integral value, right? So x outer integral constant limits है, तो आपको x axis के perpendicular लेना पड़ेगा. और after changing the order, the strip will be horizontal. But what is the region actually? This is the famous region actually. You might have come across this kind of region. Yes?
Circle.
The entire circle?
Yes, ma'am. Center circle with origin 0, 0.
The entire circle is the region? I am repeating my question.
No, in first quadrant.
Yes, that is the 1/4 of the circle. And basically this circle, more specific answer is center, unit circle it is, centered at origin. Because radius you are given is 1, right? So let me write this. You are asked to find out, or you are asked to change the order of this one. 1 minus x square. Integrand is x dy dx, right? So ये x वेरिएबल के ऊपर लिमिट है, तो दिस हैज टू बी ऑफ y वेरिएबल, और ये अगर इनर इंटीग्रल y वेरिएबल है तो बट ऑब्वियस आउटर इंटीग्रल विल बी ऑफ x एक्सिस x वेरिएबल. सो x इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू 1, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. So it is nothing but y square is equal to 1 minus x square, and it is nothing but x square plus y square is equal to 1, means it is a unit circle. So when we draw its figure, okay, so x is equal to 0, that is this y-axis, y is equal to 0, that is this x-axis, x is equal to 1, means suppose I say this is the one scale if I consider, then this is the 1/4 of the circle, right? Let me draw it once again. Yeah, so this point will be 1 comma 0, this point will be 0 comma 1, hence this line will be x is equal to 1 line. So if you consider the boundaries of the region, then it is this one, this one, this one, and this one. So now this is the region R, in which x variable having the constant limits, therefore this is your original strip, right? And now you want to change the order, so I can take now different color for changing the order. In the examination, what you can do, ओरिजिनल स्ट्रिप है उसको ब्लैंक रखो और जो चेंज ऑफ ऑर्डर वाली स्ट्रिप लेते हो उसको शेडेड रीजन में बता दो, ताकि आपके माइंड में हमेशा ये फिक्स कर दो कि शेडेड रीजन इज द शेडेड स्ट्रिप इज द वन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू विच वी हैव टू डिसाइड द लिमिट्स, राइट? क्योंकि अभी मेरे पास ये फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम चूजिंग डिफरेंट कलर्स, बट in the examination you can keep this for your entire paper, that original strip is the blank one and changing the order strip will be having this shaded portion, right? So now by changing the, I am not writing all those statements over here, so by changing the order, what are the limits?
Y is equal to 0 to 1.
Okay, very good. यहाँ से
Yes.
यहाँ मूव करेगी.
X is equal to 0 to under root 1 minus y square.
Yes. मीन्स ये स्ट्रिप y डायरेक्शन में कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी देगी, तो कहाँ से कहाँ मूव करेगी ये डायरेक्शन में, तो इट विल मूव फ्रॉम 0 to 1, एंड x डायरेक्शन में इफ यू सी देन इट इज मूविंग फ्रॉम x is equal to 0 line to this curve, and this curve in terms of x is nothing but 1 minus y square with the square root. So this is what the, okay, now it will be dx dy, dx dy, right? So evaluate it quickly and let me know the answer.
Ma'am, 1/3.
Yes. Correct one. थोड़ा थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है अभी चेंज ऑफ ऑर्डर पे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Let us consider now the next example. So this is basically the polar coordinate. This is also a polar coordinate that we have to still consider. This is triple integration, right? This is improper integration sum. This you can evaluate. Both of the limits are constant, so you can evaluate. I will consider the 14th example, right? Evaluate करेंगे उसको. अच्छा, evaluate पूछा है. Let us evaluate it. Let me just erase this because you are not able to see the upper limit. Yes. So पहले evaluate करते हैं, फिर change of order consider करेंगे. Answer is already written. DA दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. DA दिया है means you have to decide the order. कौन सा order आएगा?
dy dx.
Arya will give the answer.
dy dx.
Yes. Yesterday I have told you that make a practice from this limits, right? So this is the limits of y, so this has to be limits of x. Be careful while treating the another variable as the constant quantity. ये 11 लोग जो अभी हाथ ऊपर करके बैठे हैं ना, वो हाथ नीचे रख दो. ये तो ऑफलाइन क्लास में अगर मैं आ गई आपके क्लास में तो हाथ ऊपर रखवाऊंगी इतनी देर तक. ये ध्रुव, आयुष और वत्सल तो चले गए कहीं पर. इज इट सो? नहीं, they must be busy with the evaluating it.
No, ma'am.
Yes, I got it. E minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Huh? Let me write it. हर बार दो इंटीग्रेशन, जब भी मल्टीपल इंटीग्रेशंस होते हैं तो थोड़ी स्पेस रखा के कीजिए ताकि आप वेरिएबल लिख सको वहां पर, राइट? सॉरी, दिस इज एक्स. तो पहले विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाई लोगे तो यू हैव टू ट्रीट एक्स एज द कांस्टेंट क्वांटिटी. तो इट विल बी x is equal to 0 to 1. While evaluating this, e raised to ax का integration होता है e raised to ax upon a, where a is constant. So here, since you are taking integration with respect to y, so x we will treat it as constant. Therefore, 1 upon x will be a constant quantity. So in that one, we'll have e raised to y by x integration upon 1 by x, and it will be varying from 0 to x. And while writing this limits, you must be clear that you have to substitute this limit for the y variable, right? That's why I am advising you to make a practice of writing the limits with the variable dx. So this is equal to x is equal to 0 to 1. X will now come to the numerator, and while evaluating e raised to x, e raised to y upon x, while y is x, so it is e just e raised to 1, and e raised to 0 is 1, so this is dx. So now answer is already almost there. Integration will be x square by 2, and it is varying from 0 to 1, so it will give you limit 1, so e minus 1 by 2 is the answer, right? How many of you got this answer? Quickly raise your hand. Very good. It is the easiest one. Let us change the order now. First of all, you have to decide the region. So, what will be the region? See, एग्जाम में ऐसा मत करना. यहाँ पर पूछा नहीं गया, इवेलुएट बोला है तो सिर्फ उसको इवेलुएट ही करना. यहाँ पर आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए, इसीलिए आई एम कंसिडरिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. So it is not written over here. So read the question carefully. Okay, x is equal to 0. Triangle मिलेगा आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Y is equal to
Yes,
x. Yes, y is equal to x means it is a straight line with the inclined angle 45. Assume that this is the 45. Huh? So this is the line y is equal to x. This is y is equal to 0, which will meet x-axis at 1, 0, and this one will be 0, 1, right? So this one is x is equal to 1. This one is y is equal to 0, but sorry, y is equal to 1, but we are not going to use it. So x is equal to 0 means it is this portion. Let me choose different color. So x is equal to 0 means it is this one. X is equal to 1 means it is this one. Oh. Y is equal to 0 means it is this one, and y is equal to x means it is this one. So actually basically this x is equal to 0 gives you for this particular point that it is a joining point, right? So actual region is this one. you are having. And original strip will be which one, vertical or horizontal?
Vertical.
Vertical.
Vertical, because limits of x variable is constant we are given, so I will just put it blank. And now you want to change the order, so you can consider the strip perpendicular to it, so it will be this one. And now you can say the limits. So first of all we have to write the limit of y and then limit of x. So what it will be, tell me.
For y it is 0 to 1.
0 to 1, very good.
For x it is y to 1.
X will be y to 1, yes. Right? Yes. So you can solve it. I will give this as 1, right? Solve करोगे तो आपको यही आंसर मिलेगा. Let me consider one more example. Change the order of the integration in this one and hence evaluate it. So this is the example. Arya,
Yes, ma'am.
observe this example and tell me which one is the mistake.
Ma'am, inside it has given limit of x. So dx dy should
Order. From where you have decided that there is a
limits of inner one.
that is what I was telling you in the last lecture, right? So that's why I have. So this, since this is the limits of x we are given, so dx has to be the inner integral, dy has to be the outer integral. So by printing typographical mistake, this has been written, but you can decide. So final decision you have to make it from the limits only, right? So first of all draw the region, then change the order and then evaluate it. So what one will be the region? Anyone has drawn it? Already the curves are known to you. We are given 0 to a, y to a has to be the positive real number, right? So this one has to be the limits of x. So but obvious, this one will be the limits of y. Integrand you are given x upon x square plus y square dx dy.
This example has been discussed in class.
Sorry?
This example has been discussed in class.
Has been done in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो प्रैक्टिस वर्क में भी डाला है, क्लास वर्क में भी डाला है, ऐसा है? कोई बात नहीं, अभी उसको रिफर किए बिना इवैल्यूएट करो.
तो ये इसमें भी ट्रायंगल बनेगा वो.
Triangle बनेगा because we are given the straight line y is equal to x. Suppose I say this is the distance a from origin, so this line has to be x is equal to a. Since y is equal to a, so this intersecting point will be this corresponding point will be y is equal to a, so this has to be the line y is equal to a. This is y is equal to 0, this is x is equal to 0. So let us see now what are the given quantities. So we are given y is equal to 0, that is this one, y is equal to a, that is this one, y is equal to x, that is this one. So next line will decide the region, and since it is this one, so this is your region in which y coordinates having constant limits. Therefore your original strip will be horizontal. By changing the order, you have to consider the strip perpendicular to the original one, that is this one. I will shade it also. And now by changing the order, Tell me what are the limits?
For y it is 0 to a.
For y it is, so now since it is vertical straight, so limits of x will be constant. So what you are saying, limit of y?
0 to x.
0 to x. Very good. What about x variable limit?
0 to a.
0 to a.
0 to a. कांस्टेंट लिमिट्स ये रीजन में स्ट्रिप को अलाउ करोगे मूव करने के लिए, वो घूमने निकलेगा रीजन में स्ट्रिप, राइट? हम नहीं घूम सकते अभी बाहर, लेकिन ये रीजन में घूम सकता है, तो इट विल बी 0 to a, right? And y variable will vary in this direction in this region, so it will be 0 to x, right? Evaluate it and let me know the answer. It is already given.
Yes.
Pi a by 4. Some of you have, okay. Devarshi has already uploaded the region, very good. I think by default these students are raising the hands who got this answer pi a by 4, if I am not wrong. Am I right, Prakshal and Dhruv? Okay, let me ask. How many of you got this answer? Please raise your hand. Very good. Fine, fine. So if we see now the list, then this is with respect to polar one. You are given this one. Do you want to evaluate it? सारे अभी evaluation वाले हैं. What you can do? Right, 20 तो हमने अभी किया ना, वही है ना? Y square is equal to x and y is equal to x cube. Yes, 1/10 answer we got it. So this is the repeated one. 20. Yes, but here it is not asked. Change of order. But we have done it. So, right? So here also you will get the same answer. So in these examples, what you can do, if you want to do some more practice on the change of order, you can evaluate it and then change the order by yourself. नहीं पूछा है, फिर भी practice कर लो and you must get the same answer, right? तो कौन सा try करना है बोलो इसमें से? 17 to 19, 3 examples are there. Which one you want to try? Here it must be the parenthesis. That is the correction. अरे बोलो, आप लोगों से ही पूछो. ये जो है वो स्ट्रेट लाइन वाला हो गया, y is equal to x. तो ये हमें नहीं करना, ये आप लोग कर लेना, क्योंकि बहुत ऐसे एग्जांपल्स होंगे जिसमें ट्रायंगल रीजन बनेगा, right? In this one, both the limits are 0, so that could be also the easy one. Let us consider 19. Evaluate नहीं करेंगे, हम सीधा change of order करेंगे और उसको evaluate करेंगे, okay? 0 to 1 लिमिट है और एक लिमिट है x to square root of x. x to square root of x था ना? Yes. Integrand we are given is x square plus y square. 19 था 20, 20. नहीं, 19. Here also you can see the printing mistake is there because inner integral is depending on the y variable, so it has to be the order d by dx, not dx dy, right? Region क्या होगा? Okay, let me write. This is y, this is y, this has to be x, this has to be x. So given region, if we talk about again the straight line passing through origin with the inclined angle 45, y is equal to square root of x means it is y square is equal to x. Hey, this kind of example is also done. रीजन ड्रॉ कर लिया किसी ने? This is y is equal to x, y square is equal to x. Symmetric about
x-axis.
x-axis. So it will be this one. So wherever it will touch, this point will be 1, 1. So this one will be x is equal to 1 line. So I will write it over here. This is y is equal to x. This one is y square is equal to x. So the given region is So this is the given region we have, in which limits of x are constants. So this is what the original strip, and now we want to change the order. So in that case, we have to consider the strip perpendicular to it, that is this one. And now you can decide the limit. Integrand will remain same. What it will be? ये पैरेट कलर का जो स्ट्रिप लिया हुआ है, इफ यू अलाउ इट टू मूव इन दी वाई डायरेक्शन मीन्स ये डायरेक्शन में, तो कौन सी लिमिट्स आएगी? कांस्टेंट लिमिट
0 to 1.
0 to 1. वेरी गुड. व्हाट अबाउट एक्स एक्सिस?
Square to y.
Yes, y square to y. So now you can solve it. First treat y as constant. So it will be having a polynomial kind structure in the integrand after substituting the value of y. And what is the answer we are given? Let me see. 3 by 35. ऐसे स्टेप्स आते हैं ना, तो इट इज़ एडवाइजेबल कि आप एक बार उसको वेरीफाई कर लो, क्योंकि यही से अगर मिस्टेक होती है तो वो मिस्टेक आपकी कैरी फॉरवर्ड होगी. तो इट इज़ वाई क्यूब बाई 3 और यहाँ वाई रखा एक्स की जगह, तो इट इज़ वाई क्यूब. देन विद द नेगेटिव साइन एक्स की जगह वाई स्क्वायर एंड इट रेज टू 3, सो इट विल बी वाई रेज टू 6 अपॉन 3 विल बी द कॉन्स्टेंट वन माइनस वाई स्क्वायर इंटू वाई स्क्वायर विच इज़ वाई रेज टू 4. So if we simplify this one, this is 4 by 3 y cube minus y raised to 6 by 3 minus y raised to 4. Don't forget to consider this parenthesis, right? So this is 4 by 3. Integration of y cube is y raised to 4 by 4. Then it is 1 by 3 being constant outside. Integration of y raised to 6 is this one, and this is this one. So This 4 gets cancelled. 1 minus 0 together with the 3. So 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 21 into 1 minus 0, and it is minus 1 upon 5 into 1 minus 0. So simplify this one. This is 3 into 7 you can write. So 3 into 7 into 5 will be the LCM, right? So because they are prime numbers. So how many of you got the answer 3 by 35? Very good. So now tell me, do you find this session beneficial as far as this change of order is concerned? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Means I can assume that now you are confident enough about this change of integration. In the exam, whatever question will be asked, you are able to decide the limits and you are able to evaluate it, right? अब किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है? Just I am asking this for my feedback. The method as well as the explaining point of view, as well as this PDF file, all these methods and all these practice are convenient to you, no? Give me your honest feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because in the beginning, when online classes have been started, at that time we were worrying about how we will teach the mathematics in the online mode. But now we all are comfortable with the online teaching, because mathematics is a subject in which we cannot describe you all the things orally, and it is not the subject which can be easily understood by the oral presentation, right? So that is what I am asking about, the feedback, that all of you are convenient, or you can give me the suggestion as well if you want to improve some part of this teaching. अभी नहीं बोलना है तो सेपरेटली मेल भी कर सकते हो, राइट? अगर ऐसा है कि सबके सामने नहीं बोलना है तो यू कैन, the suggestions are most welcome. So now, if you don't have a doubt, you can leave this meeting, do practice and perform well in the examination. All the best. We will meet after your examination now. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
If you have a doubt, मेल करोगे तो it will be better for me, क्योंकि जब lectures नहीं होते हैं तो Microsoft Teams इतना work नहीं करता है. Work नहीं करता है means I am not frequently open it when lectures are not there. So, but mail is very handy. So, mail में मैं तुरंत reply आपको करूँगी whenever it is convenient. So, if you have a doubt, mail me. I will write my mail ID in the chat box. मेल करो तो जीमेल पे ही मेल करना, चारों सेट का जो गूगल अकाउंट है उसके ऊपर, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के मेल के ऊपर मत करना, बिकॉज वी एनी ऑफ द फैकल्टी विल नॉट रिफर टू दैट आउटलुक मेल आईडी ऑफ चारों सेट. मेल आप इसी गूगल अकाउंट से आप गूगल अकाउंट में करना, राइट? ओके, थैंक यू.